In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a risk register in Asana. A risk register is a simple structured list of potential issues that could affect your project, along with details like likelihood, impact, owners, and mitigation ideas. By building it in Asana, you get a clear collaborative place to track, update, and communicate risks as your work evolves. Start by opening Asana and heading to your home page. From here, look for the plus icon near the top. That's your shortcut to create new work. Click it, then select New Project. You'll see different ways to start, but to keep full control over the structure, choose Create Blank Project. Give your project a clear, recognizable name so your team can find it quickly. Something like Risk Register for your project works well. Naming conventions matter, so keep it short and consistent with how you name other Asana projects. Next, choose Setup with Asana AI. This is a great way to jumpstart the structure so you don't have to build everything from scratch. In the prompt field, describe exactly what you want. For a risk register, spell out that you need a project to capture risks with fields such as risk title, description, likelihood, impact, owner, status, and mitigation plan, and note that you prefer a list layout for scanning. The more specific your prompt, the better the initial setup. Click Generate Preview and give it a moment. Asana will propose a layout and example sections. Review what it suggests and imagine how your team will use it day to day. If the names or sections aren't quite right, you can refine your prompt or plan to adjust labels once the project is created. Don't worry about perfection at this stage. Clarity and consistency are what matter most. When you're satisfied with the preview, click Create Project. Once your project opens, switch to the List view. List view is ideal for registers because it shows items in rows, making it easy to scan across details like likelihood and impact side by side. Now click into the name column to start entering your risks. Use clear, concise titles for each risk so they're easy to recognize at a glance. Keep your titles short and put the explanation in the description field so the list stays easy to read. As you populate the register, aim for consistent wording and avoid duplicates. That's it. Your risk register is ready to evolve with your project and keep your team aligned.